This is a really quick video about how to use Canva and how to create really fun images for your website, for your social media. As you probably already know, once you've set up a Canva account, it costs £10.99 a month for the professional, and literally it's just, you can literally do absolutely anything on it. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you exactly how to create just a really fun kind of image for, I mean, literally you can see the choice here. So I've just typed in here collage because I am looking for something to do on my website to advertise a makeup masterclass that I'm going to be doing. So this is not an online masterclass, this is just a face-to-face one that I'm going to be doing over the summer. So I've just picked this one here. So I think sometimes it's really effective when you've got a couple of images. You can obviously repeat these images or do different ones in each thing. So just click on customize this template. So obviously this comes up here and then you go to uploads. I've just got a couple of pictures here that I want to add into it, and because these are already preset, it literally, you just put it over there and it creates like a really good image. So I am doing a lash masterclass. So I just sourced this off Pinterest, where I just typed in lash photo shoot just to kind of come up with pictures. Sometimes you have to just kind of have a good scroll through and see kind of what fits, have to try, obviously download the images here. So you go there, then that just takes that straight into your downloads. So then you can go back to the image on Canva. So I've just done a really fun picture where I've just kind of tested it out before I filmed the video just to make sure, and yeah, this is how it looks up to now, which I think just looks really good. I love the way it's the images are repeated and it's ready to obviously upload to my social media or to my website. I'm going to be advertising my classes on Eventbrite and selling tickets on there, so it's going to be perfect for that as well. I try and stay away from images. I mean, I do like images like this, but sometimes to the average person that can look a little bit intimidating when you are trying to sell a service. So yeah, so it's so easy. So you just literally just click on there, wiggle it around so that it fits. I'm going to just do the same image over again. So now you have it looking like this. I mean, you could keep the writing here, but I just like to have a change around with the background as well. So as you can see here, what I love about Canva is that you can always kind of customize the colors, and it obviously detects the colors in your pictures that you've uploaded, and then you can change the background to something like this, have just like a little bit of a play around with it, see what it looks like in each one. I personally like this one, and then I was going to delete the writing, but I actually think it looks really good, so I'm just going to put in master, and you can obviously stretch this out. What I also love about it is that you can obviously change the size of the font up here, but then also what you can do is change the letter spacing so it moves it in and out. I always think it looks a lot more professional when it's a little bit more spaced out. So I was just going to move it down here and then change that to lash. So yeah, I think that looks really cute. I'm going to change the colour of this. You can have just like a little bit of a play around with it. I quite like it. A little bit darker, definitely, yeah. So I'm going to just make it a little bit smaller still, just so that it fits underneath there, so it doesn't really interrupt with the with the image too much. And then as well, I did try having a change around with the sizes of this, but it actually looks really good with quite a chunky outline. So then once you're happy with your image, you then go to download here. You can literally change it to in the format of anything that you want to. PNG is the best one for social media and for on a website as well, so just do that, and then it just takes a couple of seconds just to download, and then you have your images. Just make sure that you change the name of it just so you can easily detect it in your computer. So yeah, there we go. So then I am going to go, well, my website is hosted on Squarespace, which I'm going to be doing more videos about how to upload stuff onto Squarespace. I do have a lot of content because I am building my own membership area. So then you go on to edit, and then I'm just going to, yeah, I've already put it there. So if you wanted whatever image was there, you go on to add image, and then it is there, and then obviously make sure you press save. Make sure you click on done there, and then just make sure that that's working, and then it's there. So yeah, so I am going to be doing, I did the same kind of one for the masterclass also obviously on Canva, and I am going to be doing more and more videos on how to use Squarespace, how to use Canva. If you do want to sign up to Canva, I would appreciate you doing it through the link in my description, because I am also affiliated with Canva. But I mean, absolutely everyone in the industry uses Canva to create professional images. You can literally do absolutely anything on it. I do PDFs on it, where you can download them as like a PDF to then sell. You can do like thumbnails for your YouTube channel. You can do new product alerts, blog posts, absolutely anything. I do a 30-day goal planning where every month I will go and edit every single box and all the different things that I need to create over the month. I just find it a lot easier than a list to be able to do that. These are also available on my website, and it links through to here where you can edit it yourself on Canva, but I'm going to be doing another video about that as well actually. So yeah, my channel is all about kind of helping people that do small businesses, and mainly in the hair and beauty industry. Just all the things that I've had to obviously learn myself, but it's just a really fun and easy way to be able to learn all the different things that you need to be able to know about running a business these days. I mean, it's not just about doing a cutting hair or doing makeup anymore. There's so many other aspects to running a business that most people kind of would have to do a degree in. So it's just learning as much as you possibly can, but it's time consuming, so I try to keep my videos quite short and to the point. So thank you for watching. If you could subscribe to my channel for more content, I'm going to be bringing out so much more in the summertime as well. So yeah, thank you for watching and have an amazing day.